So hey guys, what's up? It's Steph Yap, and today we're gonna make a vision board. So with the start of a new month comes this new energy, and I would like to direct it well this month. And I feel like making a vision board would help me out in that aspect. Like help me idealize exactly what I want, what I need to do, and all that stuff. This whole crisis has been hard on all of us, and right now, planning an uncertain future really causes more stress than relief. So I think the vision board is like the perfect thing right now because it's abstract enough, but at the same time, it gives you this direction. Also today, we have a special guest. It's your cue! Nasaan ka? Ayun, okay. I-introduce kita ganyan dito. Okay. Okay lang, blurry ka naman eh. Like, you're super blurry right now. Like, you're just pixels and pixels. It's Gillian! Gillian interior designer extraordinaire, Gillian Design Studio. So, we'll be doing... Oh nga eh. Okay, so what are we doing? As if I haven't said this already, we'll be doing our vision board together. Because together, we can make things happen. And you feel like not doing something, it's better to do it with a friend, you know? That's a tip. And there's nothing like an accountability partner to help you with your goals. So let's do it. So I did this gradient. When did I do this gradient? Yesterday because I wanted it to be a gradient. I don't know, I like gradients. My theme is passion, productivity, and progress. I like alliteration. What can I say? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
Okay.
I guess I'll start with writing that out, no? Okay. Do you put it in the center or what? Yung theme? Or do you put it on top?
I think we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
What the budget of the stuff. Like right now, I think I'm just
Yeah.
looking for it.
Okay, I kind of don't like it. Oh my god. It's so ugly. Hindi, okay lang yan. I'll just have to move it closer together, I suppose. So, I sent Gillian a couple of questionnaires I saw on Pinterest because Pinterest is, I don't know, a very viable source. So, how to create a vision board. Have priority questions. What is it that you want? What is it that you need? What is it that you value? That's hard.
So are we answering all of these questions?
Or do you want to have categories muna?
Well, I think either of the two naman, whether it's categories or you answer the 3 questions, I'm game. So, what do you want to do?
Ako, I'm thinking categories first, and then the categories, we answer questions per category.
I love it to put several categories, but right now, I think experience is the last to do.
So, this is a 2020 mood board, basically. Kasi parang I feel like we're gonna be like this for the foreseeable future. Okay, let's put 2020. Is it weird to put boyfriend on your vision board?
I'm actually contemplating that one.
Okay, so physical, do we have to put like our body goals, ganon? Like, if I put Florence Pugh,
I think so.
yeah, I'm gonna put that image of Florence Pugh.
Oh my god! Wait. I have to show you something.
Okay. Also, it's weird, oh my god. Actually, I like Saoirse din. I'm gonna put them both here. Parang like dati, I would always be apologetic in wearing eyeliner na I'll be like, oh my god guys, I'm so sorry ang arte ko. These people were not used to me wearing makeup at all. Pero like, I don't know, seeing Lauren like always just wearing eyeliner. I mean, if it's an everyday thing for her and she's already pretty, gets parang, why can't it be an everyday thing for me? I don't know if that's a weird thing to think about. Pero like, I've always been conscious the first time I've been wearing makeup kasi nga parang, it's so different, it's not you. Pero like, people change, man. And I think I changed for the better. I think.
Yeah, I think you did.
Oh.
All the things that
Oh.
even when you with my
Oh. I don't know the lyrics. I don't know if this is gonna look nice, but I hope it does. Alam ko na, I'm gonna search James Jane. I love James Jane. What if I just put the House of Parasite? Hi!
Ming Ming says hi, by the way.
Hi, Ming Ming! Hello, Ming Ming. What's up? Do you also want to make a vision board?
He's pregnant.
Sino? Oh my god.
He's pregnant.
Parang I'm also getting mga like styles na parang outfits na gusto ko, and I really like her outfits, man.
Name's Just Reyes.
Snack break!
Okay.
You want Cheetos? Snack break. I swear I'd be more healthy, pero it's hot eh. I want an ice cold Coke.
It's harder to be healthy when it's hot enough.
Totoo. Okay. Back to vision boarding. Alam mo what I would want to have is perfect bangs. Like kay Lee Sung Kyung, like her bangs are perfect. I just want the Korean bangs. Is that so hard to ask?
Yes. But I kind of want to eat healthy and enjoy food. Like, I know there are some people who still go on diets, but they got very happy with what they're eating and it feels joyful. I want to feel happy about eating that.
For me, like I'm trying to diet, but it's more of like I'm controlling how much I intake. But like the food I want to eat, I still eat it. I'm just controlling how much of it I eat, you know?
In process, I have to make life happen. I have to make life happen. Because for the longest time, life has always been happening to me. Like, I've always been very passive about it.
Yeah.
So now I have to be an active participant in my life. Try.
For me talaga, like, I don't know, my aim talaga this quarantine is to actually finish it. Alam mo yun? Kasi I think you know this about me, pero yun nga, parang I just don't finish shit. Stuff. I should say stuff.
Yeah.
I just don't finish stuff. Nag-iisip nga ako anong magandang finishing? Pero walang P. Dapat pa finishing. Wala kasing P. Finishing. Passion, productivity, progress, and finishing. Finishing. Pero yun, I don't know, parang that's what I want it to be about right now. Kasi parang I'm always so lethargic, I'm always procrastinating, and I know I shouldn't be hard on myself because we are in a crisis.
Yeah.
But still, I wanna push for me to finish all the projects na I've always thought of, you know? So yun. Passion, productivity, progress. Okay.
Yeah.